Alright guys, I'm back at Dancing Drums. This time I'm playing the 5-cent version. Just ended up getting the bonus. I started with $100 in here, so it was a long time coming. I'm gonna go with 5 just because that's the safest for this. Or I always feel like it is at least. Oh, so close to a re-trigger. There we go. That's what we want. A couple more of those would be amazing. Give me a re-trigger on the last one. Come on. No re-trigger. That's alright. It's not a bad bonus at all. We're at 225. Just gonna play this down to 200. And we will be cashing out with a nice double up. Got the pot to close. Mini for 52. I'm just gonna play this down to 50. All right, so we had $100 in, cash on at 252.40.
All right, guys, I am on the nickel dancing drums, and I am gonna do hundreds and 40. I know it's an odd amount, but it's what I had in my wallet. Make sure the volume's all the way up. 140 to start. And on this one, nickel denom minimum bet is 440. Using all gold drums, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do 440. Just missed it for a first spin bonus. Why is it that what you need comes the second spin? The very next spin, it always comes what you need. Everett. Well, I keep getting 2, missing the first one or missing the middle or missing the third.
I feel like this version's important.
So hard. Oh, come on. Boom, 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 boom. I got 3 in the middle. I'm missing the first one again. Such a tough cheat. Yay! I did! No. I mean, you do what you want, but thank goodness all I need to win is 45 to break even. And I'm gonna do 5 games. $40. Okay. I'm playing nickels. Shoot, missing the 4th row. Oh, nice. You put 100 in? Come on, re-trigger. Dead spin. Oh my God, I got 2 dead spins. And that was $60. Okay, so I made $100. I'm gonna cash out. Way too volatile for me. Very, very grateful for that. Oh, that was 150. Oh, I made almost $100. I'll just play it down to 200 because, and then I'll take a $60 win on it at the very least. What? Why is he mad? Because he lost? Oh, Everett! Almost again. See? And it comes the very next spin, whatever you need. All right, that's it. No, I didn't double it. I had 140. So we're gonna take a $44 win. 288. I was almost down. Well, two more spins left. 703. I got a gold drum, so it upgrades. All right, mystery 3, 5, 10, or 15, Everett. 5.
This will be the final call for our lucky winners. Dale Ross and John Clark.
$9.
To make your way over to the table game counter near the real receipt by day 1 to see your cards. Dale Ross and John Clark. You have
Oh, that was 54. Actually, I just saw the first line hit was 9. Oh my God. Oh, Everett, I just missed that Foo Dog. And it would have been 5 across. But still, look, over 100. Yeah. I'm wondering if I should have picked 3. Oh my God, a retrigger. Oh my God, Everett, a four thing retrigger. And that pays 12? Oh. Do. It's a good bonus, Everett. Oh, 2 dead spins. Come on, retrigger. Almost. Over 200. I got 1 spin left unless I retrigger. Huh? I don't know. No. Oh my gosh. Foo Dogs for 192. What a bonus, Everett. I kind of knew it. Dancing drums explosion. Woohoo. And I was ready to put an extra 100 in. Isn't that funny? Okay, 433 on a 288 bet, Everett. That was amazing. Thank you, Dancing Drums Explosion. That was awesome. I'm just gonna play. Should I play it to 400 and take a quadruple up? It's 440. All right. I'm gonna raise it though for 588. Back to back, back to back. No. That would have been amazing. Just gonna play this down to 400 and take a beautiful quadruple up. $6, $12, $18, maybe 4 more? No. Oh. $6. So I can do, oh! Just missed it, Everett. I gotta do 2 more spins and then that's gonna do it. Is that gonna let me do one more? 528, no. I can do a 288. Oh, and I'm gonna cash out a quadruple up. Yay. All right, Everett just hit on my favorite game, Dancing Drums, 528 bet, $100 in. What are you gonna pick?
I'm gonna do 10.
You are? Oh, we should have done 5. Remember the like $900 bonuses we used to get on 528 years ago? Like all the time. It wasn't even like hard to get. $18.
Almost the ships for days.
I know, we need a retrigger. Come on, Dancing Drums.
Right?
Yeah, but still, 3 is better. Oh man. Every spin counts on this one. $12. Can we get a retrigger, please? That would be amazing. Come on, retrigger. Oh, I thought we were gonna get it. And you know what you missed? Yep. That was sad. Come on, Drum, drum, drum. Oh, almost.
Over $100 though. Which is
Yeah, it's awesome. Come on. Oh. Please. Oh, 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 oh! 384. Now that is what I'm
That's
talking
kudos.
about. That's what I'm talking about.
You might crack.
Oh, Everett, you made it go fast.
No.
Oh, we didn't even get to enjoy. We didn't even get to
know.
enjoy that amazing
Over 500
Jill
bucks.
show. That was awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you. Those
I love the bonus on a 528. I swear, I love it. It's always so good.
I'm just gonna play this down to 500.
500.
Yeah.
All right.
You
I
got
hope
that?
you get
Me
a
too.
4-drum trigger before 540. Come on, 4-drum trigger. Oh, those screw dogs look pretty. Oh, that was your last chance before 540.
Yeah. But maybe before 500.
Yep, that would be nice. Everett, if you're lucky enough to get the bonus before 500 again, oh my God, I thought you almost, I want you to do 3 if you get the bonus before 5. Mini's no fun. Winner and a winner. Oh, you got a few extra spins.
Yeah.
I want you to do 3 if you get the drums again. Come on, drums. Oh, man. We could do one more. Well, that was fun, though. Yeah, it was great.